Let's talk about the unique function in Excel. As the name suggests, it returns unique values from a range or array. It can accept three parameters, out of which the first one, array, which may contain our duplicate values, is mandatory. We will pair our unique function with sort, filter, text join and some other functions in our future videos where we solve some real practical scenarios. Let's see a few use cases of unique function. Here we have a bunch of numbers, and out of them, if we want to get the unique set of values, we can use the unique function. We have a bunch of repeated names. If we want to get the unique names, we can use the unique function. We can pair our unique function with sort to get a sorted list of unique names. Let's look at another practical scenario where unique comes in handy. I'm trying to compare files from two different servers. I've extracted the file names and now I want to check which files are present in one but not in the other server. I've just created few rows to keep it simple. The same can be applied for thousands of files as well. Let's copy the files from server 2 below server 1, and now we will use unique function to identify files that occur only once using the third parameter as true. When we set the third parameter as true, it returns items that occur only once in the list. So these two files exist in one of the server but not on the other one. Unique function with true as third parameter comes in really handy in retail to identify people who dropped out after making their first sales. For example, here we have a list of customers who bought from the organization ABC. Based on our formula, we can see that these customers only did their first sale. It is vital for the company to further analyze why their customers are dropping. Are they taking the first promo and not buying after that? Or they did not like the product? They can reach out to such customers to fix their processes. The second parameter for unique function checks if our data is stored in rows or columns. By default, the second and third parameters are false. Unique function works well with multiple columns as well. For example, if we want to identify a unique list based on product and region, we can write unique and select these two columns, and it will return the unique list of products and region combination. For example, if the product 1 is sold even once in the West region, we will have an entry here. We will combine unique with filter and sort to solve some interesting scenarios in our future videos.